Talk about mixing high and low. This video is literally opposite ends of the spectrum. I'm all about balance when it comes to fashion. So first up, we're gonna do a little thredUP haul. I've been purchasing from thredUP for years at this point. If you're not familiar with thredUP, they are the largest online consignment store. You can get up to 90% of our favorite brands, Free People, Madewell, Gap, Abercrombie. They even carry brands like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Burberry, basically everything. I even started recently ordering things for the boys. They are growing like crazy and they really just, let's be honest, they destroy and ruin their clothes. They're very, very active. They love sports, they love all of the things. And so I love buying their play clothes through thredUP because I can also find amazing deals on the clothes for the boys. But we're gonna do a little thredUP haul. I've got some really, really great pieces to share with you. And the last, but stay tuned for this because trust me, I'm super excited. I'm actually gonna do probably my first ever official reveal here on camera. I usually always take a sneak peek of any handbags that I'm gonna unbox on camera, but the packaging is so beautiful that I don't wanna touch it until I actually do the unboxing here on camera. So we're gonna do a full reveal at the same time. Check out a new handbag that I ordered from Chanel. I did get it directly from the boutique and I had them just kind of ship it to me. I ordered it over the phone. This bag kind of existed in my head and they didn't even make this bag until recently. And I got my hands on one and I'm super, super excited. So stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and get started with my thredUP haul. Like I said, I've got some really good pieces. I did not realize that I ordered so much this round, but we've got 3 boxes to go through. So let's get started. I always look forward to getting my thredUP orders because I usually get a little variety of everything. So it's almost like a surprise because by the time they come, which they do come pretty quickly, I don't remember what I ordered. Oh, we've got a Rails piece. Yes, we've got a Nike top, 2 Nike tops. I love getting workout clothes from them as well. They have like Lululemon and stuff. This is gonna be just a really easy, casual workout top. I try to work out on a regular basis and workout clothes get kind of expensive. This one is from Nike. Retail value was $54. I paid $19.99. Next up is this Nike sweatshirt. Retails for, I have all the details here, $71 and it was $27.99. I wear sweatshirts year round, you guys. I don't care how hot it is. I'm always inside and these are perfect for lounging. I always search for Rails plaids when I'm shopping on thredUP. This one was $37, you guys. It retails for almost $150. I love this plaid color. I completely forgot that I ordered this crop Adidas hoodie. I love this. This one retails for $65 and it was only $27.99. I'm gonna wear this all the time. Next up is this striped dress from Zara. This one retailed for $46 and it was $30. I think this is really cute. I'm actually super excited about this piece. I've got another Rails plaid. This one was also $34. Again, retails for just under $150. They have amazing deals on Rails. I mean, I buy these at full retail because they're totally worth it, but I also love just checking to see what thredUP has because I mean, why not save over $100? I always love finding good denim jackets. This one is from Zara, retails for 56 bucks, and I think I paid 30 bucks. I really like this. It's just like an oversized, super distressed denim jacket. I'm really, really, really excited about this one. I've got another activewear top from Adidas. This one retails for like 120 bucks. And I paid $43. Like I said, I'm just always looking for extra workout clothes. And if I can save some money on them, why not? Another brand that I always search for is Free People. This one was $19.99, you guys. That is a killer deal for Free People. And I think those colors are so beautiful for spring and summer. Now this dress, I forgot I ordered, but it was like 20 bucks, or yeah, it was $18.99, you guys. The cutest little off the shoulder dress. This material is really, really nice. And I love this color. I know we're going into the hotter months, but I just couldn't pass up the deal on this one. This is from Altered State. It retails for like $120, and I think I paid $33 for this. And I just thought the texture of it was so, so pretty. I really, really love this piece. This is my first time ordering shoes from thredUP. These were brand new with the tags still attached. And I thought these were the perfect little easy thong sandal. They're from Gap, and I did go true to size. Let me see. I ended up paying, hold on, let me pull it up. I paid $19.99 and they retailed for $50. And again, brand new tags still attached. And last but not least, I forgot that I ordered Matthew this little mini backpack. I thought this was good. He could take like when he's playing sports or just wants a little something. It was so, so cute. I mean, how adorable is that? I think I paid like 20 bucks. Yes, $21, and it retailed for 45. This would be perfect for the boys, but I think Matthew will probably use it the most. So that is everything from thredUP. Make sure to check out the links down below. And I do have a new coupon code for you. I will put it here on the screen, but all the details will be in the info box as well. It'll get you an extra 30% off your first thredUP order, and they make it really easy to shop. So I like to filter through my favorite brands, and then I select my sizes, and every time you log in, it'll just kind of have a special page built specifically for you. Like I said, they make it super, super easy. Thanks again to thredUP for sponsoring this portion of the video. Don't forget to use the coupon code to save that extra 30% off, and let's go ahead and move on to what I got from Chanel. How pretty is this packaging? I feel like I can never do it back as pretty as they do it. So I just wanted to go and do like a real official unboxing. My receipt and everything is in here. Like I said, I did get this directly from this Chanel boutique at the Houston Galleria, but I just called and had them ship it to me. They shipped it to me for free, which was nice, so I didn't have to pay for shipping. But I've got the camellia flower and of course the Chanel ribbon. Let's go ahead and get her all untied. I cannot wait to see it. It'll be the first time that I'm actually seeing it in person. Hopefully the color and everything is what I was expecting, because I haven't seen this bag in real life. So, and like I said, this bag actually didn't even exist. It existed in my head. I always wanted this bag, but I was like, oh, only if they could do that on that one, then it would be perfect. And then they did it. So now it's perfect. At least hopefully it's perfect. I'm excited. Let's see. I know this one's gonna be one of those bags that it's gonna sell out really quickly. So if you want one, I strongly recommend you get your hands on it ASAP. So here is the dust bag. Let me put the box down. Okay, we've got a decent size dust bag. Look at that there. Let me see where the front is. Okay, are you ready? We've got the new DeVille in the small size with the handles. I'm so excited. So I've actually wanted a DeVille for so long, but I didn't want the large. I wanted the small, but I loved the look of the large. The fact that you had the handles, and I cut my finger when I was opening those boxes. So sorry about that. But I wanted the look of the large where you had the handles and the straps, but I wanted the size of the small, and they didn't make it until now. Okay, so let me go ahead and look her, let me try to get, I don't want to get anything on this, but let me go ahead and look her over. The color is so pretty. It's actually better than I thought it was gonna be. I actually thought it was gonna be more tan, and I don't even know if it's coming up true to life and color, because it looks more beigey tan on camera, and in person it definitely has a blush undertone, which is my fave, like my absolute fave. Okay, so you've got the Chanel like logo and everything here. No feet, plain on the sides, plain in the back. I've got silver hardware, which you guys know I don't do a lot of silver hardware, but I think for this bag it works because it is a more casual bag. I think it totally works. Here's the inside. You've got a lighter lining. It does come with a little Chanel pouch. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm super excited. You've got a little zipper pocket here. You've got two little slip pockets here. And then you've got the magnetic closure right there. Isn't that like, seriously, I'm trying to be careful. I don't want to get anything on it, but isn't that not seriously the cutest bag? I just think that the small size is so good. I feel like the large, I love the large, but I feel like the large is very beach, right? Very like fabulous pool, like, right, vacation pool, vacation beach. I feel like it is. And I'm not saying that you can't wear it style-wise, because I think you totally can. That's just the vibe it gives me. It feels vacation poolside, vacation beachside, right? Whereas this feels like outfit, like this is like outfit to me, like this size. I love it. Okay, I love it more than I was expecting. So I'm obsessed. I am so obsessed. You can obviously wear it two ways, top handle, which I just think is so chic, or with the straps. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I feel like this is gonna be a major hot seller. So the gallery had this color and they had a gray, but I felt like the gray was so gray. It was like almost blue. It was so gray. And I feel like this will go with so many of my shoes and clothing. I just think this is so beautiful. I'm kind of obsessed. Do you guys love it? Are you so loving the fact that they added the handles to the small size? I know I am, and I'm so glad that I'm glad that I was patient and I waited for a DeVille, because I've wanted a DeVille for so long. I included it in a wish list video, I think a couple of years ago, and I was so patient because I just knew that if I waited, I would find the one, and this is the ultimate one for sure. Talk about the ultimate haul, a little bit of everything. I love mixing a high and low. Like I said, I am all about balance when it comes to fashion. Again, don't forget all the links down below, as well as my coupon code for thredUP. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. Make sure to stick around for more fashion and luxury videos. If you have any special video requests, always put those down in the comments below. Before you head out, make sure to watch one of these, and I will see you guys in the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.